little mess maker? Huh? Goodness. You left one up there. You better get it. So I have a whole bunch to pick up. Yeah, this is why I spend all day cleaning the house. Toys everywhere. See? Uh-oh. They just come through and I pick them all down. What are you guys doing in here now? Huh? Huh? What now? You half-naked babies? Huh? Oh, Dylan found the Visalis box. What you got in there, huh? You want to make a shake? Or take some vitamins? What do you think you want to do today? Huh? Oh. What do you think, Mason? Hi. They're big snoopers now that Mommy lets them around the house. They like to snoop into everything, don't ya? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to show you how they made a mess at the refrigerator. Dylan likes to throw the toys off. Don't you, big boy? I know Mason does, I mean, not Dylan. Mason! Mason! See Mason's little curls? God, he has a lot of curls back there. And Dylan has a lot of curls too. See that? Alright guys.